Hello, this is Nadia's Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Panasonic Lumix gx85 4K digital camera. I'm thrilled with the 16 np micro four thirds sensor, offering stunning detail in photos without a low-pass filter. The camera's mirrorless design, including two lenses, makes it lightweight yet versatile for various shooting scenarios. I'm particularly impressed by the dual image stabilization. It's superb for both photos and videos, ensuring clarity even in low light. This feature is a standout, especially for handheld shots. The viewfinder and tiltable LCD display add to its ease of use, making it user-friendly for different shooting angles. Plus, the 4K video capture with post-focus functionality is a major plus, allowing creative flexibility in photography. In conclusion, the Panasonic Lumix gx85 is a top choice for anyone seeking a versatile and high-performing camera. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers.